The E1 set is a development system for pre-compliance immunity tests. It comes with a pulse generator that can be used for testing at any stages of the development process. This includes testing at the earliest stages possible, as well as troubleshooting and analysis after compliance tests are failed. The main problem with failed EMC tests is that the electronic behaves like a black box. The disturbance enters the electronic at a specific point, but the internal effects that lead to the failure are invisible. The differential outputs of the SEZ21 pulse generator allow you to inject disturbance currents into specific areas of the electronics. This is helpful for identifying areas of the electronic that are unrelated to the failures and reduce the complexity of the test setup. Following this, the field sources of the E1 set can be used to localize weak spots down to the pin level of ICs. The main advantage of the E1 set is the compact size, which allows it to be used directly at the hardware designer's workbench. This saves time during development and product release, thanks to a more efficient and targeted troubleshooting. Compared to the cost of standard testing equipment and to the rates charged by test labs, the E1 set is quite affordable. The E1 set is designed for EFT disturbances. For ESD disturbances, we recommend the E2 set, and for RF disturbances, we recommend the signal injection with our near-field probes.